So hey guys, welcome. Now I'm gonna be reviewing on this A321-100. Okay, it's by Herpa, and it's called the snap fit version because this wing is supposed to snap onto here. Of course, there are other variants who do it, but Herpa's a modern wing. So this is a Lufthansa, to be specific, 321-100 special. You can see properly, this is a crane production Germany showing its 25th anniversary, and if I'm not wrong here, you can see clearly. Okay, so like you know, registration is D-AIRR. Name is Wismar. Now I have not researched specifically, but it is a state in Germany, if I am not wrong. Now let's start by opening this up. If I'm not wrong, there's a tape underneath here. Now, this was bought at a second-hand store for about 10 euros in Germany. So that's quite affordable. Alright, considering it's plastic. Just need to find where this is. I'll try to open. Gosh. All the wrinkles. Oh, there's another tape. Get down. Remember, not wrong. It's here. It's just pure tape up. Thinking the other side also has something. Now, I can be careful. And also, I have four actually. One hasn't been opened. That's gonna be on another review. The other three are, one of them is a Silk Air 737-800 for Silk Air, and registration is 9VMVA. Now the other one is a Silk Air. Wait, no, it's not a Silk Air, it's a Finnair. Now I forgot what its registration is, but it's a special review commemorating its 25th anniversary. Now these two are by Premier, and I've got another one coming up by Preview. It's called Jetstar A320. And I've got one more, last one is a Revel, REVELL. You can go search that up. It's a model, and it's a British Airways 380. Its registration is GXLE8. Now this registration is the first airplane for British, actually to be specific, A380 for British Airways. So now you see we've got all these set up. We've got it open out. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity. So this will fit into this using the attached grooves. Slot it in. There you go, your stand is there. And all 1-100 models have this type of stands. You can see it. And of course now, let's look at the body. Ooh, it's rather heavy. It's rather heavy. You can see that, the name there. Called Wismar. Currently, Deutschland is here, Germany. In German, I can understand some German, Dutch, like German. Okay, now this is the German side of it. Let's look at the other side. Again, Wismar with all these cranes because of the tail. There's a crane, founded in 1918 if I'm not wrong. And then in English it means Crane Production Germany. Currently shoots his crane. Flying together for 25 years, and you see all the cranes. But it wasn't as heavy as I expected. I was thinking it was rather going to be light, because Premier they create their planes light of total plastic. Thinking this one is like this part, the part where there's all the windows, it's all metal. Alright, now let's look at it. Now let's put these aside, go over here, and now let's focus on the wings. Now this is obviously the left wing, where the plane is facing like this. can see the sharklets. And then the engine. Now you can see all this is for a reason. Snap in to this inside. So see, what you just got to do is just let's try to figure this out. Can't fit. Well, let's get the right wing. Obviously it's the same engine, sharklet. Now let's try maybe attaching this right wing first. Okay, I'm trying to be careful not to break it. Of course I do have to be careful. Oof. Of course, when you see where this is gonna be, maybe you couldn't. Now let's try the tail flips. Okay, I'm thinking the one with this is gonna go in first. Oh, I know that this is gonna be facing here. Just trying to fit in. Oh yeah, yes. It's fitting. Great. Let's get the other one. Let's fit it in. Oh, wrong side. And oh, wrong side. Now it's done. Push it in the position. Yes. That was the same. Okay. Just push it in. Cutting humanly, of course, at the same time, trying not to break this unless it can be taken off like this with air. No, just push this in. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. There you go. So see, now we got this attached. Now let's attach the tail fin. Now, just need to focus. I'm just gonna put this straight in. Hopefully being able to fit it in and it's done. Now we've got a whole plane. Of course, you know Lufthansa's a new livery. Of course, this plane has been now changed to its standard Lufthansa livery, and now, if I'm not wrong, gonna be changed soon to the new Lufthansa livery, which has a darker blue, and it stretches down here to here, and the stretches can still be seen, and the crane is changed from yellow to white, and the only yellow remaining is near the door. Now let's attach it. You can see this. Remember? See, remember this? Yes. I'm gonna attach it to this hole. See that this, and this are the rail. What actually is rail? What's that? Ah, yes. Landing gear. So you can see, you just push it in. Wait. Now this is just balance. Just adjust my hands. Okay. Just push it. And boom. It's done. Now guys, if you want to see more model aircraft videos, please stay tuned. Okay, but I haven't shown all, but this is the first of many to come. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.